旅客头城，快到了。We are now arriving at Toucheng.
Good afternoon from the seaside town of Toucheng, Yilan County, Taiwan. After 2 days exploring Taipei, the capital, I'm ready to set off on my island-wide adventure along Taiwan's eastern coast. My first stop is Toucheng in Yilan County, where I'll be staying at Toucheng 1790 Homestay. The homestay is situated in a quiet neighborhood, about a 20-minute walk from Toucheng railway station. It's not ideal for pedestrians, as the nearest convenience store is some distance away. Free private parking is available, making it a better choice for those driving. My early check-in at 1 p.m. was greatly appreciated. The key code entry system is convenient and secure. Guests must switch to indoor sleepers before entering the main house, maintaining a homey and clean atmosphere. The shared lounge area has a simple home-like Taiwanese decor. The kitchen is available for guests' use. Complimentary coffee and snacks are available on the dining table. A water dispenser is provided, which is more environmentally friendly. I booked the deluxe double room with balcony, 25 square meters, for 1,960 new Taiwan dollars per night. A major downside is the noticeable dust and grime on the surfaces, TV and floor. This is how many paper napkins it took to wipe away all the dust. A more thorough cleaning routine is needed. Perhaps providing cleaning wipes for guests is an interim solution. There was a Donald Duck look-alike stuffed toy on the bed. It might be meant for kids, but it could be stored elsewhere. The pillow was fine, but the mattress was too soft for my liking. The bedside table was too small and low to be practical. The balcony faces another apartment block, while higher-priced rooms have better views of Guishan Island. The window was dirty, and the mesh screen was stiff and hard to open. Soundproofing is poor. Traffic noise from trucks during the day, but quiet at night. A satellite TV is included, but the remote control was difficult to use. The air conditioning worked well, though it was unnecessary during cool weather. I did not plug in the old mini fridge due to its condition, but a larger shared fridge is available on the first floor. The wall fan is dusty and needed better cleaning. There is hardly any storage space for clothing. Only 2 hangers are provided, though more might be available upon request. The luggage rack is suited for hard-shell suitcases, but not ideal for backpacks. The desk is too small for remote work. It is cluttered with cups, hairdryer, reed diffuser, no smell, and tissue box. A water flask is provided for refilling at the dispenser, which is useful. The wet and dry areas are properly separated. The hot water has good pressure. Shampoo and shower gel is provided, but you will need to bring your own hair conditioner. A bath mat is provided to prevent slipping. A set of bath towels and hand towels is provided. It was quick and easy communicating with the owner via WhatsApp messaging. The owner was nice and helpful when I met him on the second day. Overall, I found 1790 Homestay to be a decent and budget-friendly homestay that offers comfort, but it could benefit from better cleanliness and storage solutions.